Greetings, Evil Boy Genius here. It's me, my Oppo Connor. Very chatty this morning, aren't you, mate? Connor's not very well. He's a bit poorly this morning. But I think he's feeling better now, aren't you? Anyway, one of the things I see local businesses, tradespeople particularly, so painters, decorators, electricians, kitchen and bathroom installers, bedroom installers, that kind of thing. I see them complaining constantly about low prices, meaning clients and customers want low prices. They don't. Nobody wants a low price. Well, okay, let me correct myself. A few people want a low price. Most don't. What most actually want is a decent kitchen or a decent bedroom or a decent bathroom at a reasonable price. Meaning, and when I say reasonable, I don't mean low. I mean reasonable means they want it at a price which is commensurate with the value you deliver. That's really important, because what you'll find is this, and this is true across all industries and all businesses, people will pay any amount for what they desperately, dearly want. Okay, so you can sell a kitchen for 20,000, 40,000, or if you go to the States, Philadelphia and the Amish, you can sell it for $250,000 US dollars. And your job is to get people so they actually want what you're selling. It's as simple as that. And it really is quite simple. Not always easy, but it is quite simple. You just have to show the value. Now, let me give you an example of how, say, I don't know, a decorator or a kitchen installer or anyone who's doing a home improvement to a house or a home where it makes a bit of a mess, okay? You could say, as a painter and decorator, you could have a high-end package. I mean, I don't know what decorators charge, but say they charge 5k to do a whole house. I don't know. I'm just making that up, all right? You could probably charge 10 or 15 to the right people if you were to say, look, we're not just going to decorate your house. We are going to do that, yeah. But what we're also going to do is we're going to have your carpets shampooed and your upholstery cleaned. We're going to stick the dog in the kennels and then send you away to a luxury hotel for 2 or 3 days while we do all this. So you'll go away, you'll come back, and everything will be fucking decorated and brand spanking new. We'll also do the garden and mow the lawn. Okay? Well, that costs nothing to offer. So it's not like, as a decorator, you've got to build loads of fucking infrastructure and stuff, or buy loads of supplies. It doesn't cost you anything until someone actually comes along and pays you for it. Now, what would people pay for that? Well, they would pay a lot more than they would just pay to have the house decorated. More to the point, the extra they would pay would more than cover the cost of a hotel, carpet cleaners, and landscapers or whatever it is, gardening people, right? And selling that to people is actually easy because no one else in your market is doing it. They're just, oh, we decorate houses and put paint on, all right? Oh, we give great service. How about that one? At a reasonable price. We won't be beaten on price even. Oh my God, fucking hell. So it doesn't take much imagination. Anyone could do that. You know, electricians, if you're doing a whole house rewire, kitchen installers, bathroom installers, bedroom installers. You could send people away for the night while you do all this stuff. You could even work overnight and do it. All right? I remember when I was living in Ipswich. I know, I'm sorry, I did. There was a place that the Ford garage there. Well, Ipswich, Felixstowe. No, Ipswich. John Gross it was. They had this service where they would actually take your car when you come home from work, drive it away, service it, and repair it overnight, and deliver it back in the morning. So you didn't have to worry about not having a car to go to work. That was massive. Okay, and yeah, sure, it meant a few changes, maybe paying your employees to work overnight and stuff, but it was massively popular as well, because one of the, that's real value. That's adding value to a really mundane service. Anyone could do it. Most won't. That's why most are not successful. Now that's a very small thing. I don't teach hard stuff very often. I don't do hard teaching very often, but that's one strategy any business can use. Build a really fucking high-end package where you deliver something on the top of the thing you do, something that's got really it's high perceived value, a night away in a hotel, luxury meal, that kind of thing. All right, anyone could do it, most won't. Now if you want to learn how to do more of this stuff, because this is the kind of stuff we do, this is our bread and butter, this is what we know inside and out, right? Join us for Ground Zero, because this is the kind of shit we're going to be going through. This is how any business in a local market can differentiate itself. This is how we're going to save the high street, all right? And you can either be with us or not with us. It's up to you. All you got to do is click the link in the comments, follow the on-screen instructions, and we'll see you on the inside. Other than that, I think we're out of here, aren't we? Are we out of here? We're out of here. We're out of here. We're out of here. All right? See you later. Ta-da.